Hello student, class 7. Today I start atomic structure chapter 4. तो इस चैप्टर में सबसे पहला वर्ड है एटम. Atom is the smallest particle of an element which may or may not have independent existence but always take part in a chemical reaction is called an atom. Again repeat, the smallest particle of an element which may or may not have independent existence but always take part in a chemical reaction is called atom. For example, Cu, Fe, Al. This is the example of atom. HO. These are copper, iron, aluminum, hydrogen, oxygen. This is called atom of element. Now molecule. Molecule, the smallest unit of a pure substance. The smallest unit of a pure substance which always exists independent but can reaction all the chemical and physical properties of that substance is called molecule. For example, O2. O2 is the molecule of oxygen, H2 molecule of the hydrogen, F2 molecule of the fluorine, Cl2 molecule of the chlorine. In this type it is called molecule, but it is called atom. Now I read the symbol of molecules. For example, नाइट्रोजन. तो नाइट्रोजन का सिंबल क्या है? N2. फास्फोरस P4. सल्फर S8. एल्युमिनियम Al. Now the number of atoms in this atom, the number of atoms are 2, number of atoms are 4, number of atoms are 8, and number of electrons are 1. Right? Next, atomicity. Atomicity. Atomicity means the number of atoms which constitute one molecule of an element is called atomicity. For example, Cl2, its atomicity is 2. P4, its atomicity is 4. S8, its atomicity is 8. This is called atomicity. Now type of atoms. Monoatom, diatom, triatom, tetraatom. Monoatom means Na, Mg. This type of atom is called monoatom. Diatom means O2, N2 is called diatomic. Triatomic means O3, ozone. Ozone is called triatomic molecule, atom. Tetra means P4. Right? Now we read name of compound and their formula. Name of compound and their formula means, for example, hydrochloric acid, HCl, nitric acid, HNO3, sulfuric acid, H2SO4, sodium carbonate, Na2CO3, sodium hydrogen carbonate, NaHCO3. Like this type of chemical formula is called compound, which chemical formula is fixed. Element of common gaseous compound. Now we take example of gaseous compound. Gaseous compound means CO2 means carbon dioxide, SO2 sulfur dioxide, NO2 nitrogen dioxide. CH4 methane. This is the gaseous state and gaseous compounds. Example. Now examples of common metal oxide. Now we did compound of metal oxide. Metal oxide means metal plus oxygen. When any metal reacts with oxygen, then formed compound is called metal oxide. For example, CaO, calcium oxide, MgO, magnesium oxide, FeO, iron oxide, Cu2O, copper oxide, Al2O3, ammonium oxide. This is called metal oxide. Formula of compound metal sulfide. Now we example take metal sulfide. When any metal react with sulfur, then formed compound is called metal sulfide. For example, FeS, iron sulfide, CaS, calcium sulfide, CuS, copper sulfide. This is called metal sulfide. Now we did take simple structure of atom. Any atom, the center part of atom is called nucleus, which consists with, or this is the cells where electrons are revolve in fifth orbital. In nucleus, always proton and neutron. In nucleus, proton and neutron subparticle are present. Proton is positive charge particle, neutron is neutral, no charge in neutron particle, but electron is negative charge particle which revolve around the nucleus. It means atoms have three fundamental particles: proton, neutron and electron. The symbol of proton, electron and neutron. The symbol of proton is P, neutron is N, electron is J. Minus is negative, positive charge 1, 0 and minus 1. Right? Why do the negatively charged electron not fall into the न्यूक्लियस? तो क्या कारण है कि इलेक्ट्रॉन जो है न्यूक्लियस के अंदर नहीं गिरता? माने वी ऑलवेज टोल्ड द न्यूक्लियस हैज पॉजिटिव चार्ज एंड इलेक्ट्रॉन हैज नेगेटिव चार्ज. So this opposite charge attached to each other, but electron does not fall into nucleus. That is why, because when electron revolve around the nucleus, then two forces is produced: centripetal force and centrifugal force. One force is outward the cell and one force is inward. The two forces are equal but opposite in direction. In this way, electron does not fall into nucleus. Valency. What is valency? For example, the atomic number of sodium is 11 and its electronic configuration is first cell 2, second cell 8 and last cell 1. Example, magnesium, the atomic number is 12 and its electronic configuration is 282. Electronic configuration, write this formula 2n square, where n is the number of cells. When we take n is equal to 1, then 2 into 1 का whole square is equal to 2 electron. When second cell 2 का whole square is equal to 8 electron. In this way, we write the electronic configuration of any element. For example, 1, 2 is outermost shell. The number of electrons is 1 and 2. Any atom for complete its octet, he always donate, otherwise sharing, he accept the electron. Any element which outermost shell, the number of electrons are 1, 2 and 3, then that type of element always donate the electron. If the outermost shell number of the electron more than 3, then that type of element always accept the electron. The number of electron which donating, otherwise accepting the electron in from outermost shell is called valency of that element. In this example, the number of electron is 1, therefore sodium donates the 1 electron, so its valency is 1, and magnesium, the number of electron are 2, therefore its valency is 2. When any element donates the electron, that its valency is positive. When the element accepts the electron, then its valency is negative. It means valencies are two types, positive valency and negative valency. Variable valencies, some elements exhibit 1 and more than 1 valency. That type of valency is called variable valencies. For example, Cu plus and Cu plus plus, Fe plus 2 and Fe plus 3. That type of valency is called variable valency. Whose valency is less, then it is called Q plus. When the valency is more than, then it is called cupric. It means lower valency is called us and more valency is called ik. So its name is cuprous, its name is cupric, its name is ferrous, its name is ferric. In the next PDF, I have sent you the crisscross method by the formula making with valencies, right?